Turn these into these. I am the Great British Chocolatier and you're watching Chocolate Plus. Hello and welcome to another episode of Chocolate Plus. My name is Mark, aka the Great British Chocolatier, and today we are going to be making some chocolate bars from this really amazing mold. Don't know if you can see that, but they have cacao pods in there, and we know cacao is where the chocolate is. I have some milk chocolate already in here, so I'm going to start off with 30 seconds. I have a ABC mold here because I'm going to be piping out some, I'm piping in some chocolate for the letters that I need to put on the back of the chocolate bar. I've already opened the white chocolate. I have some soft, how would you call it, caramel here already set up. I may use some cashew nuts, and I've got some Oreos because I might make more than one bar. And let's see how we go. So I'm making 3 chocolate bars. I'm probably making 2 chocolate and 1 white. The Oreos, these are the mini ones, they're all crushed up in here. And I'm going to be making a white chocolate Oreo bar. I'll be making a milk chocolate with caramel, and I'll do one with the cashews. And of course, we try and get some lettering. Now, what I didn't know is that they should double up letters, the ones that are going to be mostly used, but they don't. It's all good though. So this is not last minute, but we know that Father's Day is right around the corner. In fact, it's on Sunday, and today's Friday. And let's put some more milk in here. Stir it in, stir it around. And let's see if we can get this done. Alright. What I should have done is piped out, and I was going to do it before. I started out in the white chocolate to do the letters. I thought, well, no, because people might want to see the letters piped out. So I stopped. That's why you see packs open. But it's all good. I might have to run it in a 4th time, even though it should be 3, because you saw I added in chocolate on the 2nd go. So we're just softening, melting the chocolate so that we can pour it into the mold here. You can get molds from Amazon. They have all different. There's the light plastic one. This is polycarbonate. This particular one I got it's almost 10 years ago now, and I think I bought the last 2, but I can't find the 2nd one. But as I'm only going to be eating it, I don't really want to make too many. So you're going to the 4th round. Normally it just takes 3 rounds, but because, like I said, I added in the chocolate after the fact. This is the white chocolate. Because I added in chocolate after the 2nd round in the microwave, it slowed the process up. That's totally my fault. But it's all good. It just means we have an extra bit of time in the microwave. So let me get this ready. Take that out. Put that one in. Get myself together here. And of course I did wash and buff out the molds right there. And it's a very simple process, as we know. Any chocolate bar mold that you can get, you're just going to fill it up with the chocolate here. And these ones are actually kind of thick. These are almost like a 1/4 inch thick. And what I'm doing now is I'm just pushing it all to the edge of the mold. And now, of course, we've got a tap, so excuse me a minute. And what's that doing? You see all the air bubbles popping to the top? We're doing that because we don't want any air bubbles down below. This is not an aero. And even if it was, those are kind of tricky to make because you need, carbonated air tank thing. It's a whole process and it's very difficult. So we're getting the air bubbles out. We're going to have a nice... So what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to let it set for a while because the first time I did this with the caramel, it went to the bottom of the mold. So I need the chocolate to firm up a bit so as the caramel sinks, it doesn't hit the floor of the mold. So, and this one has already gone through the microwave, so it's already going to be soft. So, let's do that, and then I put this in to put the Oreos. This is going to be with that. I'm going to make the letters. That's what I'm doing with this bag here. Need the scissors. Alright. Put those in. Alright. So, let's get this out the way for a moment. I'm not going to wait too long to pipe the put the caramel in there. Okay, well, so we're gonna spell out Dad. So here we go. I'm using a piping bag because you've got much more control in it. And we want the D. Like so. I'm gonna do the B. If you see what I'm doing, I'm just filling in the letters. And then that, and then I want the T and the S, because I'm doing best dad. And I have my son who's a dad, and my son-in-law as a dad. So we need the D twice, so this is going to go in the fridge. And let's give this a stir. Put that in there. Alright. Now, one thing I forgot to do too, I've got to put this in the microwave for a little while. I want to soften this is the soft caramel. This is the dipping caramel that I've used before. Great taste. You could use the harder caramel, but I don't have any of that left. I only have this left. So I'm using what I've got left for Father's Day. But I'm the one going to be eating it, so it's all good. Alright, second time in, not much has melted. Let me stick that in there for 30 seconds because this can wait. Because I don't want it to get too solid before I put the caramel in, because then it won't sink inside the chocolate bar. So the white chocolate can wait. That's in there. And I'm also trying to make these videos a lot shorter, if I can. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to snake it back and forth, like so. Trying not to get to the edges. And then I'm going to tap it in. Like Like so. And you know what? I just thought of something. I have some unsalted, what do you call it? Unsalted pecan pieces, which I'm going to put inside. So this would be like a turtle bar. Pecan turtles. It's always a favorite. So, and I am going to be putting a layer of chocolate on top of this, because these bars are really thick, but I want to help it down like so, using a spoons here, and I don't know if that helped at all. Pushing it down a bit, I don't know, maybe not. Alright, what have we got in? We've got the white chocolate. More haste, less speed. That's what they say. We're going to do a white chocolate. Like so. Again, we're going to push it to the edges. And this is going to be cookies and cream, and I didn't add the cookie, so I want to just do it a different way. Let me just I've crushed them up inside here. There's a few remaining left, and I'm just going to sprinkle them on like so. And gently push them down into the chocolate. Like so, and tap it out again. Okay, that's number 2, and let's do a third one here. And because this chocolate has already been melted earlier, it is going to start to be thicker because it's not as loose as it was. There. And let's put some cashews in the end one. So they go in randomly. Of course, you can use any nut that you like. You can use whole nuts. That's not a nut. You can use Brazil nuts. You can use any kind of nut that you want. Cashews is what I'm using here. While this is still wet, let me go get, and I think they will look nice peeking out like that. It's good. Let me go see those letters. Yeah, I used the silicone ones, and I thought, and because they were a lot thicker in the letters, they were a little smaller than those ones. And what happened was they all broke. As I'm trying to get them out, they all broke. So I will go, if you're going to use letters as a chocolate mold, don't use silicone, just use a plastic. Because they'd be easier to come out. Okay, so we got this, we got that, we got a sign falling down. Now's a good time to chocolatize that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up if you like it, and if you want to leave a comment, do that down below. And what's the other thing to do? hit that notification bell so it will let you know every time a new video has been uploaded onto the channel. Okay, this got to go back in the microwave. I do got to make another letter because it's going to be saying the best dad. They should have two D's, and I should have realised that and bought two molds, and that's what I'm going to do. Got them from Amazon. Or you can go to confectionaryhouse.com, I think is where I get a lot of my molds too. Because they're about $1 or $2 each. Well, $2 to $3 to $4 each, depending on what kind of you get there. But we've got 3 chocolate bars here. We've got milk chocolate and cashews. We've got cookies and cream. And we got our caramel pecan and milk chocolate. And that's where we're going to put our letters on. And then once those letters are done, this is going to go into the fridge to firm it up. So I'll put a pause button. I'll go check on the letters. When they're done, we'll be right back. So don't go away. Okay, I'm back because this is starting to firm up. The other D is in the fridge and I got to put these letters in. So we're going to do B, E, best dad, and hopefully push those down a little bit. So I don't know if you can see that right there. Best dad. I'm waiting for the other D, and then we can finish it off. Because even though I still got some play, I didn't want to wait to simply go check out the freezer. Because that's where I'll put it. Is it going to pull away? Has it fully set? I don't know. I don't think so. Oh, yes it did. It's set enough. So there we go. So look at that. I mean, if you made this for your dad, that would be terrific because you can't get these at the store. So let me throw these into the microwave. No, let me put them into the refrigerator. Gonna take about 10-15 minutes for them to get solid, and then we'll take them out. So I'll be back for you, a few seconds, for me 15 minutes. Be right back. Okay, we're back. I'm just going to flip these out, twist them a bit. I can already feel them coming out. There's the one. We have this one. And is this one going to come out? There we go. And you can see, I don't know if you can see the design on the bottom, which is the top. This is our best dad. Again, you see the cacao beans. And here too, a little thinner with our pecans. I mean, not pecans, these are cashews. So we have our cookies and cream. Right there we have our caramel and pecan bits, which is like a turtle in milk chocolate here, saying best dad. And we got our cashews. Here we have our 3 chocolate bars here. We have our cookies and cream, our cashew and milk chocolate, and our pecan turtle best dad in chocolate milk bar. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. To everybody out there who's a dad, happy Father's Day. And shout out to my brother out there too. He's in the mother country in England. So I know he's a dad. So happy Father's Day to you. And to my brother Michael too, happy Father's Day to you too. And so I want to thank everybody for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, chocolatize that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, which will let you know when a new video has been uploaded. Well, thank you everybody for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.